Hi, my name is Will, and this is our Titan of Technology, Peter.
Hello.
And we're here to talk to you about OG data. Someone asked us a question, what is OG data? It's an open graph for Facebook, and Peter will discuss it.
So Open Graph for Facebook is just a fancy way of telling Facebook what title and description and image you want to use when you share one of your pages onto your friend's wall or to your business page. So let's give an example. So right here I have a simple blog post, and this blog post has already been set up so that it has its Google title, its featured image, as well as a little description. I'm going to go in and actually edit this just to show what that data looks like. So here you can see this is the title that would show up to Google, as well as the description. But it's a little messy when we try it out on Facebook. Now there is a debugger that you can use to actually see what your Facebook share will look like. So here you can actually see what the live preview of the Facebook share will look like, and we can see it's a little messy here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the Open Graph data on my website. Now we use the Yoast SEO plugin, and this allows us to alter these things quite easily. So I'm just going to click on the little social button here, and I'm going to change my Facebook title and description, as well as set the image. Then I'm going to update the post. Now that it's updated, I can go back to this Facebook debug tool, and I'm going to click scrape again. This will just make it so that Facebook will get the latest data from the website. And then you just need to refresh the page, and you should get the updated image, title, and description of how this will look to your users on Facebook.
So where would you use that kind of, like why would you want that? Where would you use it? What's the purpose?
Well, every platform has a different way or a different audience. So we want to give that audience a specific type of message. So with Google, we definitely want all the keywords in there. We want all that data so that we rank very high. But in Facebook, we're trying to appeal to an actual person, that user, as they're scrolling through. So we want the image to be more appealing to them. We want the title to be simple and clean so that they just see very crisp text of this is what I am going to be clicking on, this is the site that I'm clicking on, as well as a more attractive description.
So what it allows us to do is use any data as an object within Facebook. It's a little programmatic, but essentially it makes any data, wherever the source is, work as a native Facebook object.
Mm-hmm. So go through your posts before you share them to Facebook, add in this data, your Open Graph data, go through your pages, same thing, add in some unique images and some unique titles for whenever someone shares your content from your website to Facebook.
Okay, if you have any questions, ask down below, but thanks for the question.